As of without a doubt the most recent update, Cardano explicitly is exchanging at around $5.8 and 15 incredibly. The cost of 1 ADA would explicitly reach as commonly high as $1 by 2025 in an exceptionally huge manner. There in every practical sense is exceptionally potential for Cardano cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as kind of high as $974 toward 2030 in an unpretentious manner's end. In a bullish situation, Cardano could generally outperform the $450 mark for 2050, exhibiting likely vertical energy, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA for the most part is expected to truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $552 continuously 2040, all things considered in spite of prevalent thinking. Starting around 17 February 2024, Cardano especially is exchanging at $5.8 in terms of its asked rate with a value change of 0.71% in most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious way. ADA in every practical sense has a for the most part complete market cap of $20,615,589.94 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $433,131.9847. This especially makes Cardano ADA beautiful positioning at 8 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano truly be essentially worth in 2024, which fundamentally is genuinely critical? Is Cardano a very wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will ADA cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in an especially large manner? These in a real sense are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the ADA cost generally is supposed to cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.813, the normal kind of least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the in every practical sense. Current year ought to be $0.78 each at 11, or so they basically thought. Besides, ADA can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.995 in 54, which certainly is very critical. Cardano value estimate February 2024. In February 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Cardano could truly stretch around $0.65 and 21, which for the most part is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in February 2024 in every practical sense is $736 with a by and large normal cost of $6340, which generally is very huge. Cardano ADA value expectation walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Cardano cost really is figured to especially arrive at the least cost of $165, which in a real sense is very critical. The ADA cost could in every practical sense arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $774 with the truly normal expected cost around $64 and 66. Cardano value estimate April 2024. The exceptionally normal cost of Cardano ADA could truly go to $465 or 96 toward the finish of April 2024, showing the way that the ADA cost could generally arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $6774 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $8.466, which especially is very huge. ADA could generally be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $7,033 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $16,294 amazingly. Cardano ADA value expectation May 2024. The cost for Cardano in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $64 and 26 and $73 and 63 in an unobtrusive manner, while the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $16728, showing how Cardano ADA value expectation walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Cardano cost by and large is figured to sort of arrive at an especially the most minimal cost of $0.68165, or so they especially thought. Cardano ADA value figure June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Cardano generally is for the most part anticipated to arrive at an extremely normal cost of $69.97, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $0.17632 and an in every practical sense least of $16755, which especially is very critical. Cardano ADA value figure July 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for July 2024 may truly arrive at an especially least worth of $0.68 and 35, while the for the most part greatest determined cost is around 0.7912. The kind of typical cost for ADA basically is generally anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach 0.7037 in July 2024, or so they for the most part thought. Cardano Value Gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano is supposed to explicitly be at around at least 0.7038, showing how the very normal cost for ADA especially is truly anticipated to truly reach 0.7037 in July 2024 in a very large way. Cardano cost can really arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.269, with the typical cost of $0.7280 in East in an essentially huge way. ADA Value Gauge September 2024. Concerning September 2024, Cardano is supposed to explicitly arrive at least value worth of $0.7184, which sort of is very huge. The ADA cost could especially arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $2,633, with a genuinely normal cost around $0.7425, showing how Cardano value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense is supposed to generally be at around an exceptionally least of $0.7038, exhibiting how the really normal cost for ADA is especially anticipated to explicitly reach $0.7037 in July 2024. Or so they thought. Cardano ADA Value Expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Cardano cost basically is figured to, in every practical sense, arrive at the most minimal cost of $0.7406, showing how Cardano ADA Value Expectation Walk 2024. With respect to Walk 2024, Cardano cost certainly is estimate to truly arrive at an outright least cost of $0.6165, which fundamentally is very huge. The ADA cost could arrive at a greatest cost of $1.30, with a really normal expected cost around $0.7648, which for the most part is very huge. ADA value figure November 2024. The Cardano estimate for November 2024 expects that the ADA might arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.99236, with an in every practical sense least cost of around $0.17652 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the genuinely normal value ADA can generally stretch around $0.7054 for November in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Expectation December 2024. The cost of Cardano generally is, in every way that really matters, anticipated to generally reach at least worth of $0.7811 in December 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The ADA cost could especially arrive at a really most extreme worth of $0.9554, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $113 all through 2024, which sort of is very huge. Cardano in every practical sense, past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been in a